Every jar has a story waiting to be told, and with just a strand of fairy lights and some mandala art with colors with beads, that story becomes one of beauty, hope, and magic. Creativity begins with seeing possibilities where others see waste, and when you light up as a mason jar or a waste bottle, you are not just decorating your home, you are lighting up your own spirit. Thank you for joining me today. May your home, your heart, and your future always glow with the warm light of creativity. So, my friend, let's recap mason jars with fairy lights are not just recycled decor, they are a creative outlet which turns waste into wonder. A soothing practice that calms the mind and sparks positivity. The sustainable choice that reduces waste and helps the planet. And even a business idea that can bring light into other people's homes and profit into yours. The next time you finish a jar or jam or honey or something else, so empty bottle, don't throw it away. Hold it in your hand and imagine the possibilities. Picture it glowing beside your bed, shining in your garden, or being gifted to someone you love. Every jar has a story waiting to be told. And with just a strand of fairy lights, that story becomes one of beautiful story and hope and magic. Now let's talk about something exciting turning into this a small business opportunity. Handmade, eco-friendly, and creative products are in demand more than ever. People are searching for decor. This is unique and sustainable and full of personality. And messengers with fairy lights, with colors, check all those boxes. You can start small, create a few jars and showcase them at local craft fairs or sell them to neighbors and friends, relatives. Post beautiful photos on Instagram, Facebook, or Etsy. The glowing magic of your jars will catch attention. Wedding decoration with dozens of glowing jars for tables, personalized gift jars with names, photos, or messages. It's a beautiful ideas for you. Festival packages like sets of Christmas theme jars or Eid lantern jars. Made some Xmas tree or a moon for crescent festival. The raw materials are inexpensive. Jars you already have plus affordable fairy lights, but the final product is priceless because it carries creativity, story, and sustainability. Step by step, what begins as a hobby can grow into a brand, a source of income, and even a full of business rooted in recycling and art. So viewers, hope you like this video and hope you like my advice. It's a very precious advice for you, for our viewers. Clear the jar, coil a strand of warm white fairy lights inside and tie a ribbon or jute rope around the top. Place it in the middle of your table. Suddenly you have a glowing centerpiece that sets the mood for dinner or celebration. Attach a wire handle to the jar and hang it from tree branches, balcony railing, or hooks in your garden. At night, the jars glow like magical lanterns, creating an enchanting outdoor atmosphere. For festival, for Xmas, add tiny ornaments, pine cone or cinnamon or artificial snow inside the jar with the lights. For Diwali or Eid, add comfortable, colorful beads and golden fairy lights. That design brings festive energy into your home without spending so much money. Mount mason jars onto wooden planks, insert fairy lights, and hang them on walls. This gives a rustic farmhouse charm, perfect for living rooms, cafe, or wedding decor. Add a small photograph, handwritten notes, and sonorized souvenirs inside in the jar. Wrap the light around them. Now your glowing jar doesn't just shine, it tells a story. These makes unforgettable gifts for birthday, anniversaries, or Valentine's Day. Add some buttons, crochet, all jewelry, whatever you have, whatever you afford. Add some colors, make some flowers. Now then, garden path light. Place solar powerful fairy lights inside jars and them along walkway or garden beds. Each evening light up automatically, making your outdoor space magical without electricity bills. Keep one or two jars glowing softly on your nightstand. Instead of harsh electric bulbs, you will fall asleep beside a calm, warm light. With mason jars, the only limit is imagination. Every jar you recycle has the potential to become a unique and glowing masterpiece of art made by you. Creativity begins with seeing possibilities where others see waste, and when you light up as a mason jars, you are not just decorating your home, you are lighting up your own spirit. Thank you for joining me today. May your home and your heart and your future always glow with the warm light of creativity. Would you like me to also more designs, more videos like this? Keep watching, keep supporting, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a very nice and beautiful journey.